Okay. Yeah. Make the circle first, and then I just do over here. Okay. And make it the circle, two eyes over here in this points. Okay. You make the two circle, one for me, my drawing, one you copy my drawing, and one you draw your own drawing. Okay. So you draw one page, two circle, one page, two circle, one for. Okay. So first I draw the circle, and second I show here. Okay.
Good morning, sir. Sorry, sir, I am late because
No problem. No problem. Keep silence and let's start, beta. No problem. Okay. First make this one.
Sir, should we also use the sketch pen?
Not now. After finish your drawing, you can use sketch pen. Okay.
Oops, I already used it.
No problem, beta. Fine. So now I create here. I create here. Okay. I create here character on this save. Okay. I make it one line like this. I make it the glass like one.
Sir, are we drawing a pilot or something?
No.
No.
Uh-huh.
It's a dragon.
Okay.
It's a spectacle.
Yeah. Just keep silence, beta, and just watch my drawing. If have any questions, please ask me. I make this eyebrow, eyes first. Then I make nose, and I make this mustache. I I make this mustache, okay? After this mustache, you are making this the face, okay? Just one line like this. Hi, Prabhu sir. Hi, hi. I mean, actually, international classes going on is online, so I just call you after 1 o'clock. Okay, I just meeting going on. Okay, sir. Yeah, thank you so much. So now we are going to here. Uh,
Sir,
yes, beta.
is this okay, sir? What I'm doing, is this okay?
Show me. Yes, yes, it's
My
okay.
name is Rao.
Yes, Raghavi is okay. Fine, beta.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay. So first finish that much, okay? Take time, mute yourself and keep silence. Okay, one character I take over here. I see all character, okay?
Okay, sir.
After the finish the class, I see all over character whatever you doing. Not middle of the class, then I can see this where this changes needs here.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
I'm not drunk for survival.
Yeah. Nandini, beta, done.
Get outline it.
Nandini, finish. If you finish,
Yes, sir, finish. Now can I outline it?
yeah, I not finish. I show it then. Okay, beta. Just
I should make this a bit thick. Sir, should we draw any more?
Yeah, I do this more. Just a minute. I add over here in this.
Okay.
Yeah. Fine. Now keep silence and see this. I just save the change. I make the little bit up like this.
Oh,
I say little bit up like this. This is a fat man.
here.
Yeah. Make the ear. Make the ear. Like this. Little bit of very simple. Like this.
It's looking like an ant.
And make the hairstyle like this. Okay. Make 1, 2, 3.
So,
So I just first do, then you guys do. Okay. So first you just watch.
that's looking along with
Now this is the hairstyle.
we should fill the whole thing with it.
Yeah.
Is it Professor?
Yes. So now I make this outline now. After finishing that,
Sir, can you wait?
yes, beta.
No. No, knuckle. Can I use the brush pen?
Yes, beta, you can use the brush pen. See how you can draw with the charcoal, with the round shape to character. That is actually I want to show in this class.
Oh.
Yes, beta, you can use the brush pen.
Okay. We should do something like a.
Okay. So
Sir, we have to do with the marker, sir.
yeah.
Oh, this is so boring. It's looking like a printout.
Okay. You can make something new character if you wish. Can draw something your own character in this circle. Okay. Here I draw my own character. You draw here your own character. Is it possible?
Yes, sir, it is possible. Yes, sir.
Everybody is possible. Create your own character.
Yes, sir. We
Please,
can.
please do your own character in this circle. Okay.
Sir, can we fill the mustache and eyebrows and the head with black, with the same black?
Yeah. See, here I use the spectre, this glass and monsters and here. You can make your own ideas. Anything else you can add.
Okay, but big changes with this drawing?
Yeah, suppose to you can make these eyes like this, nose like this, mouth like this, ear like this.
Thank you.
You can hair like this. Okay, whatever. I just giving idea. You make your own character from this circle.
So we can let our own character.
Yes, yes. Be creative. Be creative and make your own characters. Okay. Now keep silence and try to your best. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
I'm doing I'm doing the bird.
Okay. Nice. Very good.
Me too.
Okay. Keep silence and do this. Mute yourself and do this. आराम से करो.
Sir is mine and
Nice.
the boy.
Take time. Next 5 minutes. Take time and do your own ideas. Okay, beta? Any character. Very simple ideas. Understand, Nandini, beta?
Sir, can you give me the paper? I make the full body also.
That's fine. Just show more.
Okay. I'm drawing the eyes in a different way. Is this okay, sir?
Yeah. Take your time.
What's
More.
the next drawing?
Take your time. and and wait, yeah,
I'm the kind of robot. No.
and let's start the color.
Sir, wait.
No, no, no. First you create color. First create your own drawing, then start the color. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Hi, Tapan here. Is that joined today? This Shomo? Angel Shukla. This Mr. Shoma is not joined today. Art class. It's okay, ma'am. Yeah.
I don't get good enough to pose for a girl.
Okay. Just make it little bit of second tone with the brown signer. Okay. Makes
Mom,
second tone with the
but only in my face, not in my style.
take time, beta. No problem. Take time. Aram se. Keep silence and make it your own. I keep the times. Okay. आराम से करो टेक टाइम